Hello guys, welcome to Pisicha Hair. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to ventilate a 2x4 closure from the starting of the ventilation to the finishing. I'm going to be teaching you all that, so watch and learn. So the first step is to place a small sheet of paper on the mannequin head. So when you place your lace net on top, when you are ventilating, your lace net will be visible for you. So before placing your lace net on the paper, you will fold the lace net into two so that to get the midpoint. When you place it, you'll be able to see the midpoint on the paper. You can see the midpoint there. As I folded it, I used my hand to fold it. Then I placed my pin on the mannequin head to fasten the lace net on the mannequin head. So after that, I'm going to be measuring the 4 inches to know where my 4 inches stopped. So my tape rule I used from 6 to 2. 6 minus 2 is 4, and you know that line that I told you that we're going to use to get the midpoint, I drew it up to the 4 inches so that I can get my midpoint. Then at the down, I measured 1 inch because that is the base. I measured 1 inch. I'm going to be telling you what we are going to do there. I measured 1 inch there. So we're about to start our ventilation. You take a little bit attachment, then you start at this down, that 1 inch I told you you're going to measure at the bottom. We're going to be ventilating diagonally. We're going to do diagonal ventilation till that 1 inch point. You get that down, you don't have this down here, there's no midpoint, so we're going to be doing diagonal ventilation. Do you understand? When you stop at that midpoint, then I will tell you what to do next. I'm done ventilating this down part. You can see diagonal method. You can see all the diagonal. Then from this part, we're going to be ventilating the vertical in the vertical way. We're going to be ventilating the vertical way. Then that's you ventilate on one hole, you leave one line, ventilate on another hole. We're going to be ventilating it till that midpoint. You can see we're going to be ventilating to that midpoint. So the down, you ventilate that 1 inch base, you ventilate diagonal. Then at the front, after that one, you may ventilate this vertical method. So you ventilate up to this point. You can see at the beginning I measured 4 inches, so this is the point of 4 inch. I'm done ventilating this first part of the air, then you start ventilating the other parts. At the middle, you leave 2 lines. You can see me leaving 2 lines at that middle. You leave 2 lines. You will see it. You can see that I left 2 lines at the midpoint. Yes, I left 2 lines at the midpoint. So let's ventilate till the end. So you also ventilate to this point, this other side, you ventilate to this 4-inch point. You can see that we are done ventilating. How do you see it now? This is a 2x4 closure. If you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. Bye.